welcome to or welcome back to my channel. We are switching it up a bit. The last couple of videos have been like try on hauls and clothing hauls, all that fun stuff, but today is a twist. We have a makeup routine, but it's not your typical makeup routine. It is basically like the 5-minute makeup challenge, but we're doing it with Merit. They sent me a bunch of makeup products for me to try out and see if I can do like your everyday glowy natural look in 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna open up the package and let's see what's in it. So I love the packaging. This color is everything. I'm obsessed with this blue color. And they sent me a cute little card. Oh my gosh. So I'm guessing that the makeup is in this cute little bag. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how cute this is? I have never seen makeup come in a bag like this before, and I'm actually going on a trip. I'm in the middle of packing, so I will definitely be bringing this with me. This is adorable. And all of the beauty products are in here, all in, let me just throw it at you, all in these like little packages. So let me pick this up. Okay, I got it. I'm just gonna open everything up and show you guys the products before I go in. And I will be timing myself to see how long I can do it. I've never timed myself doing my makeup before, but I know it doesn't take me that long to do like an everyday makeup. So the first thing is the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. So I'm just gonna open this up for you guys. I'm so excited to try these products. I've never tried this brand before. First of all, this packaging is literally so sleek and stunning and very minimalistic. I love it. It looks kind of like a lip gloss too, but let's check out the wand. Okay. This is a lengthening mascara, so we'll see how it makes my lashes look. I always curl my lashes too, just because my lashes tend to like stick down, so I will be curling them. This is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. Just looks like this. I'm guessing this is kind of just like a concealer thing. Again, I'm literally obsessed with this packaging. I like how it's different from this. This is more of like a glossy, this is more of a matte finish. I'm obsessed with the packaging on both of them, so I'm really excited to see the packaging on everything else. This is a blending brush. I'm excited to see the quality on this. I love trying new brushes and seeing and feeling different brushes, so I'm excited to see this one. Stop it. Oh my god, this is so soft. Oh my god. I just feel like this is just gonna glide over my skin. So amazing. I'm very excited. This is the Flush Balm. It is cheek color, so it is, I'm assuming like a cream blush. I feel like I'm more blown away by the actual packaging than the products itself. I love the packaging. It's just so rich looking. So this is the blush. Oh my god, it glides on so smooth. It literally is so like silky. Blends very nice too. I'm so excited. I definitely think I'll be able to do like a quick little 5-minute look. Okay, this is volumizing pomade, and it says brow. So it'll be interesting to see how we can get volume in the brows. So let's see. Packaging again, I love how everything's so different too. Let's see what this bad boy is. Oh, other way around. Okay, so it is basically just like a brow gel, but I'm assuming it's like volumizing and it holds like the lift to the brow, and I've been loving the look of that lately. I've been doing it all the time, but I haven't tried one of these like tinted brow gels before, so I'll be interested to see that. And then last but not least, I have this tinted lip oil. This is in shade Au Naturel. This packaging right here, I feel like I'm just like complimenting the packaging like every time, like, oh my god, it's so beautiful, oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's so hard not to, but this packaging for the lipstick is giving me like Estee Lauder vibes, just the gold and the clear packaging. This color is amazing. I have all of my products here, and I'm gonna be using only these products. Let me just get my eyelash curler ready. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. My busted beauty blender. Oh my god, can we just take a moment to look at this? It's disgusting. And then I just have my lash curler. I'm gonna start a timer for 5 minutes, and I already put moisturizer on, so my face is ready to go, but here we go. Starting. All All right, I'm gonna start off with the face stick and just use this under my eyes. I have no idea if this is gonna be my shade. And then I'm just gonna correct any like redness or any pimples or imperfections. Bring that on my eyelid. I'm gonna try this brush to blend it to see how well it blends. I don't know if you guys saw how well that just blended out, but oh my god. That blends so effortlessly. And the coverage is amazing. This literally just takes this and just glides across the skin. I'm already obsessed with this. I'm probably gonna add some more. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna go over my red areas a little bit more. And just kind of lighten up my jaw. I think when I was like filling out their thing, they didn't have bronzer, and normally I would use like a bronzer or something. But I'm pretty sure they were out of their bronzer, so I unfortunately do not have bronzer. But that's besides the point. I'm now gonna move on to the blush. I think I'm just gonna use the same brush just because I really like how it blended out. So I just put the blush on and I'm just blending it up. This color is amazing. This is in Beverly Hills. I literally just feel so much more lifted, if that makes sense. I just feel like I'm definitely unpacking my makeup bag and repacking it with these products so far. Like, I am switching out my whole makeup bag because I'm just gonna be using these products. Okay, I'm halfway there. I'm now gonna do my brows. Try this out. This is in shade brown. Okay, okay. I love this. I need to get my brows done, so like let's ignore that. I haven't gotten my brows done in probably over a year for sure. I love how this just adds a little tint, just a little bit of color, not too much. Oh, that's what they didn't have out. It wasn't bronzer, it was highlighter that they didn't have, and normally I would use like a cream highlight. I'm gonna curl my lashes just really quickly. How much time do I have left? I have 1:30. So we're just gonna curl. Everything just applies so like effortlessly and smooth. Like, I just love how easy this is. Okay, this is the mascara. This is just in perfect black. Let's see how lengthening this is. I always get scared with lengthening mascaras because they never hold like the curl to my lashes. They always end up falling. So we'll see how this holds up. That's just one coat. Time to curl the other side. I love how my face looks right now, and I don't even have contour or highlight on, so if I added that, it would be so much better. Oh my god, I have 20 seconds left. Ah! I don't even have my lips done. Okay, well. Okay. Normally I would do 2 coats of mascara, but Shoot! Okay, it's okay. I was like pretty much done. I just think I took too long on... I think I took too long like oohing and eyeing over the products for sure. I am just gonna finish this up. I love how this like, okay, it's technically lip oil. It doesn't look like a lip oil, but it feels like a lip oil. And this color is everything. Super natural, super gorgeous. This mascara, like everything about this look is just so fresh and so dewy. I think I'm just gonna leave one coat of mascara on just because my whole face, everything else is super, super light. And I just love how I could create like a nice natural face of makeup in 5 minutes. It's a quick like running out the door thing. And literally all I used was 5 products. Just used the 5 products. And then I just used the brush and the eyelash curler. One thing I love about the, what is this technically called? One thing I love about the complexion stick and the cream blush is it goes on, like it glides on your skin really easily. It's a really nice like texture. And this brush blends this makeup so effortlessly and like smoothly. I barely had to use any and my face just feels so like fresh and it's not streaky, it's not creasy. I feel like these are types of products that you don't need to set. I wouldn't say they're matte or dewy. I'd feel like they're just kind of like a combination, which is perfect for summer. I don't like matte looks. I like more dewy in the summer, but I also don't like dewy-ish products because in the summer I sweat. And that's another reason why I love like how light these products are, is because in the summertime I don't always want to wear like a full face of makeup, but sometimes I want to go out and make myself look a little bit more presentable than I do. So that's why I feel like all of these products are just amazing for that easy summer glow. I love these products so much. I would definitely recommend checking Merit out. There's so many more amazing products than just these ones as well. There's different shades. There's just like so much more than just this. These are just like the items that I picked out. Like I said, just add some like bronzer and some highlighter and you are good to go. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this 5-minute makeup look. I'm so excited to use these products more daily. This is my new like routine. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching.